All right, we're rolling. Quite significant amount of rain. No damage to the roof. We'll walk around the house. Filled up the dog spa overnight. We got a lot of rain. As you can see, we're on the highest point of the peninsula. We're all on high ground here, so everybody is below us. And walking around the outside of the house, there's definitely was some water that went through here. Side of the house seems to be intact. Get up here and take a look at the roof. Ooh, ground is soaked. Roof seems to be fine. Nothing there. This all came from the ground up. Outside of the house, everything seems to be okay. We got a lot of rain last night. Now, as you can see, we are on basically the whole hill of the area. Everything's downgrade from us. No visible damage outside the house.